In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first, open Messages or any other area where you can use keyboard, but it's most easy and the quickest panel to open. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English. And whenever you would like to switch it to any other language, tap on Settings icon right here, select Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and here you've got the long list with all possibilities, with all languages that you can apply. And let me pick, for example, Hebrew, tap on Done, and now remove English to have one language only. And as you can see, from now on it is changed. And obviously, whenever you would like to go back to previous language, perform the same action. So just tap on Settings, Languages, Add Keyboard, select the keyboard that you want to add, remove unnecessary language, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.